Good morning everyone, how are we all doing today? I must admit I'm feeling a little delicate this morning. Far too much refreshment last night. For the last couple of nights we stayed at a place called Santana. Lovely little place, quite a few bars and restaurants and everything. But it is built on a hillside, so if you go walking anywhere you're going uphill or downhill. After today's hike we're apparently going to a place called Encimada and we're staying there for a couple of nights. It's a small village in the middle of nowhere apparently, so we'll see how that pans out. Now today's plan, we've come to the northeast of the island to an area called, I think it's called Boaventura. Our guide said there's lots of hiking trails around here and it doesn't get as busy as the other places. I think the intention is we're going to be wandering through a primary forest, having a look through that, and then we're going to be taking a look at the local village life and how the people in the countryside live. So hopefully there'll be plenty to film. Again, I'll make no apologies if I take loads of photographs. And at the moment we're following one of these levadas again. I don't know how far we're going to be following this until we get to where we're going to. So I shall catch you all in a little while. Well, I'll just show you this levada. This is the trail we're following. That's the only thing about the places we've been so far. They all are extremely busy with other people. So just bear that in mind if you're going anywhere where you want to, like Pico Revere, or if you want to go up there, the car park does get very full. Same with all the places we've been to so far. So we've got there early enough, so it's not been a problem for us. But just bear that in mind if you're going anywhere around here. This is the footpath we're following at the side of this levada through the forest. Forgot to mention the weather today. At the moment it's very, very hot and sunny. Hardly any clouds in the sky at all, but they have forecast that we might get rain later on today. So we'll see how we get on with that. Gone to shower. Right, it would appear that we are now going through a tunnel. Water's quite fast flowing just here. Don't know how much we'll pick up on camera. It's quite dark in here. Luckily it looks like the camera's picking it up at all. Right, we're now heading into a tunnel. Head torches on. Apparently this tunnel's about 600 metres long and it's not very high. It's all hand carved, and you've still got the lavada running at the side of you, so you've got to be very, very careful. Yeah, I don't know if you can make it out, all this sort of sparkly stuff. I presume it's some sort of quartz or something. Being 6 foot tall, there are quite a few sections where I've got to crouch down. It is, it's okay, it's not too bad at all. Just a few little sections where it's quite low. Right, so we're finally coming to the end of the tunnel. It brings us out to the north side of the mountains that we're following. Like I say, it's about 600 metres long. Here we are. Right, from this waterfall it would appear that we are descending into another hobbit hole. Another tunnel. Not sure how far this one is. I can't see the end anyway, put it that way. Right, we're coming to the end of this tunnel. Again, it was about 500 or 600 metres long. The path is very narrow and quite rocky underfoot in places, so you definitely need a head torch. And this is what you come out to, if you can hear me. So we've got another little waterfall here, and we're heading into another tunnel. I don't know how long this one's going to be. But again, you need head torches, etc. I don't look too long, this one about 200 metres. I can see the far end. Right, we're coming to the end of the tunnel now. I said that was about 200 to 300 metres long. The path is very narrow in places, and as I say, I'm about 6 foot tall, and I've had to stoop virtually the whole way through there. So just be aware of that, and like I say, you do need a head torch, or at least your phone torch. And here we are, emerging the other end. Right, I've just come out of that tunnel and we're straight into another tunnel. Don't know how long this one is. Can't see the end as yet, but we shall crack on. Okay. Right, we're leaving that lavada now, but heading downhill to another lavada, and it's a bit of a slippery slope. We've already had to have a couple of men down. We just have to take it nice and careful. Cold. Right, we've got down to the coast now. I've not been doing much filming for the last hour or two because, as you can probably tell, the weather's taking a turn for the worse. And it's been raining for the last hour or so, so we're just stopping down here at a cafe. Hopefully get a coffee or something, and hopefully the weather will blow over, although it's not looking too hopeful at the moment. Right, ladies and gents, we've reached our final destination. It's the church. I'm sorry I don't know the name of the church and I don't know which into it. But yeah, we're supposed to walk today. I've had to abandon filming, unfortunately. The weather, as you can tell, taking a real turn for the worse. The last hour or so it's been absolutely tipping it now. Hopefully I've got enough footage and photos to cobble together a short video early on today. And right, we are waiting for our transport now to take us to our next accommodation, and then tomorrow apparently is going to be the toughest day as regards hiking, so we'll see how that pans out. I'm just ready to get into some dry clothing and have some refreshments and sustenance. So I'll catch you all tomorrow. Once again, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that thumbs up icon, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. To those of you that actually watch the videos, thank you very much, and we'll see you all tomorrow.